You were also asked about Mr. Efron's girlfriend returning to the scene. Soon the same hypothetical that she came back with that individual at 11:20. Would the video that you collected in this case, would it even show her?
At 11:20?
Sorry, if she returned with Mr. Efron at 11:45, the video that only goes up to 11:20 show her?
No.
Okay.
Objection, Your Honor. This is the fact, not evidence. It would just mean that they didn't
Overruled.
have the video.
No speaking objections. Overruled.
Okay. On cross-examination.
No, stop. No editorializing by anybody. Ask another question, Mr. Pizzoli.
All right, jurors have left. What do you want right now?
Your Honor, there was a question that was asked of executives on the stand. And the questions involved video during my full counsel's the question involved whether or not there was video that was available that would have shown the witness and the girlfriend had that given the time that was involved,
Right.
The court indicated that they showed up after the video stopped.
Right.
Mr. Seigel said the court sustained objection, but I believe I heard Mr. Seigel say that doesn't mean they didn't have the video. Now, if listen, right?
Yeah, that's not what I said.
Okay, so I just asked again because of my short hearings. I'm not the best reporter of this, but I just want to ask if the court reporter can check if that line is in there, because if the jury heard that, if I heard it right, and if the jury heard it, that's
Repeat
wrong.
what you think you heard.
I thought I heard him say, in reference, that doesn't mean they didn't have the video. Meaning, in essence, that we would have had a video.
Hold on, I'm writing that doesn't mean they
Didn't have the video. So, and again, maybe I heard it wrong because I don't hear right, but I mentioned it as soon as I heard it. I objected. I couldn't make a speaking objection, so we had to bring it up after the jury was gone. So I would just ask that that.
So I can understand. The question was, would something, if the video stopped at 11:20, would something that occurred at 11:45 appear on the video that stopped 25 minutes later?
It was during one of those couple of questions involving Mr. Resendez. He asked about the victim. He also asked about his girlfriend. I believe it was a question about the girlfriend in the video. And
All right, can you look for that? Was that the question? That wasn't the objection. So can you just look for those words?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, see everybody at 1:45. And Mr. Brizza said, Mr. Abrahima said, video. I then said, overruled. No speaking objection. Overruled. And then you said, Your Honor, can the jury? And I said, no editorializing by anybody. Then ask another question, Mr. Pizzoli.
Your Honor, that was a comment that conveyed to the jury that there was potentially video that they didn't have. It's not just a speaking objection. Courts basically sustain the objection, and what it is
No, I said overruled.
whether it's
All right, so what is it that you want? You are focusing on minutia.
Judge, what I want is I want the unethical conduct to stop.
Oh, stop. Both of you knock it off.
Talking about it from day one, Judge. I mean, that's...
Knock it off. Enough. Stop, Mr. Lewin.
What are we going to do, Judge?
The objection was overruled. You're focusing on minutia.
You mean a speaking objection where you blurt out something for the jury to hear?
What do you want me to do? Tell me what you want me to do.
Judge, you've instructed repeatedly
Right.
that there's a difference between a speaking objection when you're trying to even communicate a legal reason. That's not even a legal reason. That's basically shouting out a fact to the jury. It is, Your Honor, we've had in this case time after time after time, and what happens is, unfortunately, the conduct doesn't result in any consequence. So, Your Honor, again, what I asked at the time was, I just wanted the court to, when the comment was made, I wanted the court to say to the jury, that comment should not have been made and you're disregarded.
No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do it.
All right.
Both sides have been making speaking objections.
Judge, we have not one time in this case, both sides at points have made speaking objections where they've tried to clarify a point of law or say, here's why the question. We have not one time made a comment like that regarding evidence. And we're not in a vacuum, as the court is aware from conversations that have been had. I'm not making this point in a vacuum. The court knows exactly what I'm talking about, and so does the defense. And there's a point where we just had it. It's not right.
The jury's going to be told that a question by an attorney is not relevant. It only applies meaning to the answer. There was no answer to the question. This is minutia. This doesn't amount to anything. I don't want to take any more time about this. The jury is waiting outside. The jury can come in.